Here's an IntelliTouch 4 Seasons from 1984 and antique white stencil, which is awesome. However, I did buy a chrome K63 Zephyr, so these probably will come off and become that fan's blades, and I'll find something else for this. This K1 I added on, and same with that shade. And when this comes down, this white W12 will go in place of the black W11 over here, and the next thing to go up is that Saturn. And since it's RMM1, the light will come on automatically. There it goes. And it's making some weird noises. Wonder what that is. Actually, we're not going to go through the light settings, we'll just... It does have some whiny bearings, you probably heard on demo mode. But they're not bad enough as to where I'm going to go in there and oil them. Well, I don't think oil would work. Usually oil works for scratchy bearings, but these aren't scratchy yet. Come on. This camera's awful when it comes to focusing on... It's weird, because it doesn't focus on medium speeds, but it will on the others. The sun's going away. This thing is a powerhouse, even more than that. Even more than this. And originals are some of the best fans made. But this thing hauls ass. Let's go ahead and reverse quickly. You know what, let's do a flick demonstration quickly. Let's do... Here we go. And of course, if you wanted to stop the fan on a speed, you would turn it off and turn it off within like half a second. So there's your flick demonstration. And that's it.